Ready to learn how to stake TFX from your Trader's Room account? Head on over to tfxi.com and log in to your TriumphFX Trader's Room account. Click on My Account, then Available Stakes. Select and click on the available staking profile that you want. You may choose a staking period of 30, 60, 90 or 180 days. Each comes with its respective maturity period. The longer you stake, the higher the interest. When you're on the staking profile, click on My Stake Records. Then Manage My Stake Records. Now it's time to create your stake record request. Just click on the button. Once you've read and understood the T&C for TFX staking, proceed by clicking on I agree. Enter your desired amount for staking here. Go ahead and click on Submit Stake Record Request. Just hit OK to confirm. Your staking request will now be pending for review. To see if your staking request has been approved, go back to My Account and check it under Stake Records. It's that simple.